I can block that glare. Move that magnet over here maybe. Something I want to show you guys. First of all, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Hope you all my subscribers and new subscribers and old subscribers, I hope you're all doing well, your health is good, and your family's safe. Something I want to show you guys over here with Ed Lee Scallon's wheel is I got this magnetic paper. It's almost like an x-ray. And what I want to show you guys is something that's really interesting. We're going to analyze Ed's magnets here for a sec. And you see these lines in between these 5 layers of magnets? They're appearing on here as a line of force. I want to show you something. Not showing up. Let's put a spin in here and get those magnets alive a little bit. There they go. They're appearing now. Look at those lines. So at each break on the magnet seems to be a field line. Look at that in between there. Let's turn it again. So I assumed that these magnets were compiled and stretched out. I didn't really think of these as layers like laminates, and that's what it's got me thinking over here. Is lamination. Here's your laminates here. These are individual pieces of steel that create a big magnetic field. This is a mott here. And if you take the mott apart and just put the thicker wire in there, and you can go ahead and take that magnet, well, take this coil and it becomes a magnet. So you could put that on there, and you can bring it over here and it makes a strong magnet. I'll show you guys, for you beginners or people who are not beginners, but let's try this. This looks like the start, that's the finish. You see the wind come to the end. We'll put the positive on the start here, and then we'll come over here. This is 12 volts, and let's go ahead and get a piece of something strong. This is not a magnet, that is. This is one I made. That's not a magnet. We'll stick that there. Put that there. You can see everything's jumping. Let's see, how do we do this? Maybe if I put it here, it'll suck it up. Yeah. It's a strong magnet. I only got 2 hands, so I'm not gonna. And you can make magnets with it. Now let's see if we can pick something up with this. Screw. Oh yeah. So I just made a magnet. by using a mop. All right, let's go back to the reason I'm making this video. Sorry to get sidetracked, guys. So laminates, laminates over there. So lamination. So if you look at these magnets now that are laminated, each one was a laminate. So what does a laminated vessel do? Well, it creates little eddy currents, and you'll have a north and south individual pole in that in between little eddy currents. And that could be a major here on Ed's wheel. Let's go ahead and give it some spin. Let's go ahead and look at this here, the upper. You see the magnetic field right there. Then I welded iron bar to the pipe, and you can see they have a good little gap. And let's check out the field. I want you to see, turn some lights down. I want you to see what's going on magnetically between the pipe and the ground. I'm giving you guys some cookies today. This should be a good one. Let's see if I get a visual. It's like a day I'm looking at an X-ray. Okay, so you see, there's your field, and then there's your field stretching out. Now, if we're looking at the pipe right now, you can see that the pipe is reacting to the magnet. So this is a little hard. I got one hand, guys. I apologize. Let's go ahead. We're going to spin that, and we're going to look at the pipe. You can see the field stretching up the pipe. Kind of hard. You can see that field that's around the whole outside. Also the middle. Let's give it some spin. The middle's got a magnetic field about it. And also, you can see there's a magnetic field going on. This is not magnetic. I mean, it is put a compass up to it because of the magnets that are all the way around it. So I'm trying to show you guys what's going on in the center here. You can see that the paper's picking up a field around here. The reason I'm showing this to you guys is I'm working on a concept that if you take a magnet, it's like putting it's like putting a carrot in front of the horse. If you put a magnet in front of another magnet, if it's stationary, you would think it wouldn't do anything. But that's not true. Because you can see as I move the magnet up, the further away this magnet will push away. So if I want to create spin in Ed's wheel, this is what I believe is going on. I'm trying to give it front wheels right now. I apologize. This wasn't supposed to be in my video, but you can see I'm pushing away, or I'm going to pull it towards, okay? And what I want to show you is when you look at the magnetic field, look at the line of force. The line of force is running that way. Now if I turn we'll call this a car, if I turn it that way, the line of force changes, okay? There's your line of force running with the ring. You can almost look at that line of force as the line of force that we have over here. Because this stationary part in the middle on Ed's picture, he's got a little key sticking out. And then he's got In 4 places around the wheel, he's got a bolt, the ends of the bolt sticking out. So to me, that's a magnetic field that